Very good morning, dear children. Today's English work you will do in your workbook Fly Up Sun Glow English B. So take out this workbook and open your workbook to page number 11. This is page number 11 and the topic is vowel blends. Children, this exercise is related to the topic of vowel cluster which you have written in your notebook. So in this corner you can write down the date here and read these words aloud. These are vowel cluster sounds. Okay, so read these words aloud. AU, aw, howl, OI, oi, boil, OU, ow, out, UE,
You,
true, blue, true, out, pout, boil, coil, howl, foul. Okay, this exercise you have to read only. Now read the second exercise of this page, and that is look at the list of words given below and put them in the right cloud. See, you can see there are 4 clouds and you have to write here the words with the given sound AU, OI, OU and UE. Fine. Firstly, we will write the words with AU sound. Okay. So search here. This is coin. This is not the sound of AU. This is boil. It is also not the sound of AU. This is true. This is foil. No, fault. Yes, this is the sound of AU. So write here FAULT. FAULT, fault. Next word is out. SUE,
Sue,
PLUE, glue. Because, BECAUSE, because. This is the sound word AU. Okay, because, BECAUSE, because. Now snout, count, dew, howl. Yes, this is the word of AU. Howl, HAUL, howl. Shout, spoil, clue, soil, blue, toil, flout. So in this cloud there are 3 words we have written: fault, because and howl with sound AU. Okay, our next sound is OI. See, with OI there is coin, so we will write here COIN, coin. Okay, the next word is boil, so again we will write here BOIL, boil. Foil, FOIL, foil. FOIL, foil. Fine. Now next word is out, sew, glue, snout, count, dew, shout, spoil. Yes, we will write here spoil. The word spoil, SPOIL, spoil. Now read the next word, clue, soil. Yes, write the word soil here in this box. Okay, so we will just underline it because we have written these words in the clouds. Okay, and the next word is blue. It will not come in this cloud. Toil. Yes, right here TOIL, toil. Now next word is flout. Now in this cloud we will write the words with OU sound. Right here. Yes, out, out. Right here OUT, out. Out we will write in this cloud. Then sew is not belonging to this cloud. Glue is also not belonging. Yes, snout. So write here snout. Snout, SNOUT, snout. Next word is count. So we will write here COUNT, count here in this cloud. Dew, shout, S-H-O-U-T, shout. S-H-O-U-T, shout. We have written in this cloud. Okay? So you will write like this. Now next word is clue. Then flout. Write here flout. F-L-O-U-T, flout. Okay, in this cloud. Now this is the fourth and last cloud, and we have to write UE word in this cloud. Okay, so this word true belongs to this cloud, so we will write here true, T-R-U-E, true. Then sue, then S-U-E, sue. Then glue, write here glue, G-L-U-E, glue. Then dew, write here dew, D-U-E, dew. Now clue, write here C-L-U-E, clue. Okay. Now blue, write here B-L-U-E, blue. See children, I have written all these words in these clouds which are belonging to the sound A-U, O-U, O-I and U-E. Fine. In the same way you will do this exercise in your workbook on the page number 11. Children, you will do this work very neatly. Thank you. Bye-bye.